Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to autoplay a video on Google Sites using the updated 2026 layout. Google Sites doesn't have a built-in autoplay switch, but with a custom embed code, you can make any video start automatically. First, choose your video. YouTube or Google Drive both work. If it's from Drive, make sure the sharing is set to anyone with the link can view. Then open Google Sites, click Insert, and choose Embed. Go to the Embed Code tab. For YouTube, use an iframe with autoplay equals 1 and mute equals 1, so the browser doesn't block it. For Google Drive videos, use the preview link with the same autoplay and mute settings. Paste the code, click Next, and insert it. You can resize the frame or stretch it full width so it fits your layout, then click Preview to test it. The video should autoplay silently as soon as the page loads. If everything looks good, hit Publish, and your autoplay video is live. And that's it. That's how to autoplay video in Google Sites for 2026. Quick, simple, and it works every time.